Fruit Chaat recipe. 2 cups mixed fruits such as apple, banana, mango, pineapple, grapes, etc. Chopped. 1/4 cup pomegranate seeds optional. 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup. To taste, juice of 1 lemon or lime. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon optional. Fresh mint leaves for garnish optional. 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the mixed fruits. Pomegranate seeds if using. 2. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon or lime over the fruit mixture. 3. Drizzle honey or maple syrup over the fruit mixture, according to your desired sweetness level. 4. Gently toss all the ingredients together until well combined. 5. Optionally, sprinkle ground cinnamon over the fruit mixture for added flavor. 6. Transfer the sweet fruit chaat to a serving dish or individual bowls. 7. Garnish with fresh mint leaves if desired, for a refreshing touch. 8. Serve the sweet fruit chaat immediately as a light and nutritious snack or dessert during Ramadan or any time of the year. Enjoy your homemade sweet fruit chaat. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, plus don't forget to press the bell icon and on which recipe to make the next video. Please tell us in the comments section.